Good evening, all of you. I am Vikas, and today we are going to discuss about the uh, introduction to Angular in Java. Basically, Angular is a platform and framework for building single place client applications using the HTML and the TypeScript. Angular is written in TypeScript. Basically, it implements core and optional functionality of a set of TypeScript libraries that you import into your the applications. Then the architecture of an Angular application relies on a certain fundamental concepts. The basic building blocks of the Angular framework are Angular components that are organized into the big modules. NG modules. The NG modules collect related code into functional set. An Angular application is defined by a set of NG modules, and applications always has a list root modules that enables bootstrapping and typically has many more features and modules. Then the components defines views, which are a set of screen elements that Angular can choose among and modify according to our program logic and the data. Then the components use services which provide specific functionality not directly related to the views. Service providers can be injected into the components and as dependencies, making your code modular, reusable, and the more efficient. Then the modules, component, and services are classes that are decorators. Then these decorators mark their type and provide metadata Angular how to use them. Then the metadata for a component class associate it with a template that defines a view. A template combines ordinary HTML with Angular directives and binding markup that allow Angular to modify the HTML before the rendering it for the display. Then the metadata for a service class provides the information Angular needs to make it available to the components throughout dependency injections DI. Then an application's component are typically defined many views. Arranged hierarchically, Angular provides the router service to help you define navigation paths among the views. The router provides sophisticated in-browser navigational capabilities. And Angular NG modules differ from complement JavaScript, that is ES2015. NG modules declares a compilation contents for a set of components that is dedicated to the application domain workflow or a closely related set of capabilities. Then an NG module can associate its components with related code such as services to form a functional units. Then the every Angular application has a root module, conventionally named app module, which provides the bootstrap mechanism that launches the application. An application typically contains many functional modules. Then the JavaScript modules, NG modules also can import the functionality from the NG modules and allow their own functionality to be exported and used by the other NG modules. Then we should the examples to use the router service in our app. Then we import the router NG modules. Organizing our code into distinct functional modules helps the managing development of complex applications and in designing for reusability. In addition, the technique lets we take the advantage of the lazy loading. This is all about the Angular. This is all about the Angular. Thank you.